grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
So guys, this is the dome from the front. Wow, it doesn't stop, it doesn't stop. Wait. So high. I don't know if you like can tell detail on this thing. Let me try and zoom up a little bit. Let me I'll tell that detail, guys. It's crazy. So my mom just said something like it's the most visited tourist attraction here in Cologne, and you can tell, you can just tell, look at the amount of people here. Wow, it's crazy. Damn. So guys, this is a Catholic church. Look at all the lights.
Burial ground underneath
Burial ground?
from some famous people.
You want to light a candle, mommy? How does this work? And then you like make a little wish, no, so? And now you make a little prayer, right? Wait, before you put it, let me say 1, 2. No, I want to...
You make it out.
Wait a second, I want to say something too.
Come on.
I want to say something too.
Don't shake it because I out. Coming out from somebody wish. So what
Okay.
I want to say.
That's all our dreams
For
come
health,
true.
prosperity and world peace.
Yes. And that all our dreams come true.
This is why we're out some big candle.
Really, all them dreams.
Another must have the oldest one. Is it was Cologne?
Just look at the detail, wow.
If you think about it, they have built hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years on this building. Even stopped in between because the money ran out. And even before this church, there were 2 other ones from Roman.
It's crazy. Some people are sitting here. Wow. Somehow I didn't expect this.
Then you have to go down here somewhere. But here you have to cook that.
So this somehow you can go and dig out the dome. Okay. But you have to pay 20 euro. What is this? Ah, this is how you knead. Oh, I don't know these ones from Jamaica. Oh. What do you think he was saying here? Do y'all know this picture? It's the next side with pictures over there, but you cannot tell them so well.
Yes, I always wanted to visit this church. It's really special and somehow it means a lot. I came here one time before. That was when I still went to school on a school trip like, and I remember we went here at night and it was just amazing with all the lights outside. It just looked eerie like. It was built a very long time ago. I can't really tell you exact date right now. I read everything before we got here, but you know, to remember numbers is really hard. But even before this building was here, there were two other churches built by the Romans, but they were destroyed somehow. And this building here was built over hundreds of years. They stopped in between because they ran out of money. It also has the largest bell, I believe, even in the world. It has how many tons of weight? So if this one falls on your head, you're definitely gone. And it only rings on occasion, like on special things like Christmas also. So it's not every Sunday bell ringing kind of.
It's the tallest, or it was the tallest at one point, right?
It was the tallest church. No, it was the tallest building in the world for 4 years. Until then the Eiffel Tower in Frankreich, France. And some building in America, which I don't remember right now.
But it is
And
the
it's the
biggest.
second largest church in Germany. Only the Ulmer Münster is a little bit taller from the towers. Like this one here has actually 2 towers, and you can climb up the towers, but it's 500 and odd something steps, and I don't think I can make that today.
Yeah, guys, mommy got corona. So that's why also we didn't film since long time now. This is our first video filming again, as you can tell from the London trip. So my mom got sick. How are you doing after that, mom?
I'm alive.
Yeah,
It was really fun, and I don't want it again, and ever. No,
it's just
it was
that like
awful.
you're
And
tired.
Weak.
Not tired, sorry, she's like feeling weak.
At first I was a week sick, really sick, bad. And then the sickness got better and so, and after that I started going to work for one day, and I couldn't even make it to Hauptbahnhof, and I was dead like.
To the train station.
And I tried a second time again, and it still didn't work. So next week, Tuesday, I'm going back to work, and hopefully, knock on wood,
it work out. Just never have the strength.
Yeah, because you obviously hear people talk about it, like the after Corona effects and so on. You always think, but boy, it's true. God, you're so weak.
That's why right now we're not really run off of the steps game, you know. We try relax our little body and see as much as we can.
Right.
Yeah, in the little 2 days. Yeah.
But I also read before we got here so that there are some graves actually down there, and of course they found a lot of stuff when they bury. I mean, when they dig, archaeologists and so. Must be some pastor, somebody like. We can research that later. Maybe we can put it into the information, something underneath the video, like. But this building really has a lot of history.
True. So much history. Everybody's taking
And
pictures.
the Three Kings.
Three Kings
Was brought here from Milan. And I think that's the story with the Jesus baby. Must be. And the bones from those 3 kings, somebody brought them here because back in the days also when a church has some sort of bones, even a finger from Jesus or something, also it would be special, and a lot of people would come and visit. So they must have the bones from the 3 kings.
Interesting. Guys on here, Dopey there. Dopey there. I'm joking. It's good spirits in the church. I'm joking, guys. Wow, look at the instrument up there. What do you call that bigger instrument up this again, mommy? What do you call that thing again? What do you call that? Organ, yeah. I have to always be zooming up for you guys.
One of the most visited places here in Germany. With millions of tourists flock here every year.
I thought you were gonna say in Cologne. I told him Cologne earlier. But you said Germany, okay.
I think in Germany, but you can't read it up.
I mean, I guess if it's in Cologne, it is
I'm
in
looking
Germany.
for the Three Kings canal shrine, something. It looks really
Maybe
Polish.
up there. I guess this is where the ceremony is kept. Wow, this place is big. I mean, you could tell from outside.
I think I eat that.
Yeah, me they have a feeling. I ate this. So guys, this is the Three Kings story that Mom was just telling me about. Oh wow, just the detail. It's crazy. They carve these things out. It's crazy. It's crazy how they carved all this out. Nou, me zoom op, hè.
Chrissy, come here.
So much it's about. It's crazy.
Looking for a name, but da ist noch einer. Oh no.
Schneller. Digitaler Oberraum. Wo kann das Zeichen noch machen?
Aber das ist nicht
Das ist am Überhitzen. Zeichen. Look, there's a writing here too, but I cannot do it. There's so much to see.
Look at that window. Wow.
You can't
Like
even
a
read the
lady.
writing.
So beautiful. Look at that. I love this. I did love that one, yeah. This is Crystal, thankfully still alive. But they are not rich and famous. Nobody would ever bury us here. Yeah, but that doesn't bother me.
You think these people are rich and famous?
They have to be king, queen, person, something for them.
Ich stecke das Ding da rein, damit. It's like, even though there's writing, you can't read. It's not even German, right? That writing. It's not German.
The little book there. Kann ja auch Italienisch oder Lateinisch sein. Because a long time ago, so our churches will only speak Latin.
You can read it, please let us know.
It's only when Luther
But you soon did this.
translate the Bible, also that normal folks could read the Bible. Before that, pastor and others I used to preach in Latin.
Oh, so it's lucky. Look, they're working on this one. So I guess they're...
Yeah, this place is always under restoration from inside and outside. There's always something to do. It's the very famous cross from Jesus Christ. This is Crystal.
Taking picture.
She's not made out of wood. No, she isn't. Ja, mach ein Bild. God, all those doors. I wish I could look behind those doors. I wish I could go in the cellar down here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I would. Trust me. You can, aber you have to book in advance.
20 euro tomorrow.
Hm?
Vertigo.
Wo steht das?
Habe ich gelesen.
Ja, wer ist mir wert?
It's over this next side, right?
Oh, das ist on top of us, gell? Ah, guck hier ist die Domschatzkammer. Oh Gott, da hab ich
What is that? Treasury
Treasures,
of the cathedral. What do you say that?
the cheap things. Treasure. Cool. Domschatz could be anything, but it's so interesting. They do tours here, guys. But you really have to book in advance because they're highly in demand. Really impressive. They have something going on here.
Jesus gonna cross again.
So we expect. And so I don't quite agree with that one. So that he died for all of our sins. So that means that you can do anything you want to. If you kill somebody, fine, he died for you. I think everybody responsible for them own actions. Können wir da rein? No, I'm just saying, it's just my opinion. Some people take it for granted. Sind wir eigentlich reingekommen? Where we
Ich glaube,
coming?
wir kommen für einer Woche.
Sure?
Remember, filming yes. I made that film come up.
Guess this up there is my favorite window. Holy water. There's no water. But this must be one of this one of them long time old queen written. Imagine how they built up like that millions of years ago. I mean, yeah, all that read how much for one. But you know, you read it and you can't remember everything one time. It's just too much. But it costs a lot, a window like that. And even way back then, also windows weren't so common. We had like everybody at home that have a window. Jetzt noch einmal von hier.